Ballet Met welcomes you to Neverland for Trey McIntyre's Peter Pan. We extend our thanks to our dedicated board of directors and our season sponsors, the Greater Columbus Arts Council, the Ohio Arts Council, the Columbus Foundation, and the Sports Medicine Department of The Ohio State University's Wexner Medical Center. There are 2 shows left in our 25-26 season. Be here in April for the Love of Dance, 3 contemporary ballets in 1 electrifying night. And in May, witness the world premiere of Remy Wortmeyer's La Boheme. For tickets and more information on Ballet Met's upcoming performances or academy classes, visit our website at balletmet.org. At this time, please turn off all electronic devices. For the safety of the artists, we ask that you refrain from taking any photographs or recordings of the performance. Thank you, and enjoy the show. Don't miss Peter Pan at the Ohio Theater February 13th through the 15th. Grab all the information and tickets at balletmet.org.